Viewers, today I'm going to show you a trending niche that is currently exploding on YouTube, the construction niche. This niche focuses on showing how a house is constructed step by step, from an empty piece of land all the way to a fully finished luxury home. Right now, this type of content is getting millions of views, especially in YouTube Shorts. And today, we are going to create similar videos step by step, and I will also explain exactly how you can create these videos yourself. So viewers, without wasting any time, go to YouTube and search for the channel Sparkle Home. You can see that this channel is currently trending. It already has around 166k subscribers with only about 361 videos uploaded. Now click on the Shorts section and open the Popular Shorts tab. You'll notice something very interesting. Some of their videos have 25 million views, 6 million views, 5 million views, 3 million views, and 2 million views. And many more videos have crossed millions of views. This clearly shows how powerful this niche is. If you watch these videos, you'll see that they simply show different types of house construction ideas. Each video presents the building process, step by step, from the beginning construction phase to the final luxury home. And that's exactly what we're going to create today. As you scan through their videos, you'll notice that almost every single short video looks very attractive and satisfying to watch, which is one of the main reasons they go viral. So viewers, now let's move to the next step. Without wasting time, open ChatGPT. Once ChatGPT is open, look at the left side panel where you will see an option called Explore GPTs. Click on it. In the search bar, type Luxury Home Construction Time-Lapse. After searching, you will see an option called Luxury Home Construction Time-Lapse GPT. Click on it and then press Start Chat. Now here, you just need to give it a simple instruction. Type this, Luxury House Construction. Give me 7 prompts for a complete home, then press Enter. Within 10 to 15 seconds, it will generate 7 detailed prompts for you. These prompts will show the entire process starting from an empty piece of land, then the foundation, then the structure, and finally the fully finished luxury house. In the final prompt, it will show the beautiful completed luxury home. Now scan through these prompts one by one. You'll notice that the structure of these prompts is very well organized. Just by writing a single line, the AI generates a complete step-by-step construction sequence. The best part is that you don't need to upload any images. Just write the instruction, and it will automatically generate 7 prompts, which are enough to create a full house construction sequence. And with just these 7 prompts, you can generate an entire construction-style shorts video. Once you have reviewed all the prompts, we will move to the next step. Alright viewers, the first thing you need to do is open the Grok AI website. As many of you already know, Grok AI has recently become one of the most powerful and trending tools for generating AI videos. A lot of creators think this tool can only create very short or low-quality clips. If you are creating videos for YouTube Shorts, you can choose the vertical ratio. If you want long videos, you can choose the normal widescreen ratio. Once everything is ready, copy your first prompt and paste it into the prompt box. After pasting the prompt, simply click on the Generate button and wait for about 1 minute while the AI processes the request. And now the first text-to-video clip is ready. Take a look at this result carefully. You can see an empty piece of land with a very natural environment around it. The surroundings look clean and realistic, which makes it a perfect starting point for a construction video. This is exactly how the story of the house begins, starting from a completely empty location. Now the next step is very important. Click on the Extend Video option. This feature allows the AI to continue the scene and build the story step by step. Now copy the second prompt, paste it into the prompt box, and again click Generate. Wait a few moments while the AI renders the next scene. And now the second video clip is ready. If you watch it carefully, you will see that the construction process has started. The ground preparation and early building steps begin to appear, making the video feel like a real construction timeline. Now we will continue the same process again. Copy the next prompt, paste it into the generator, click Generate, and wait for the AI to create the next scene. And here we go. The next stage of construction appears. You can now see the structure slowly developing. The building frame starts becoming visible, and the environment still looks very cinematic and realistic. Now again, copy the next prompt, paste it, generate the video, and wait a moment. Look at this result. The house structure is now clearly visible. Walls are forming, the building design becomes more detailed, and the progress feels very satisfying to watch. Next, paste the second last prompt and click Generate. After waiting a short moment, you will see that the house is almost completed. The construction work looks smooth, the structure is nearly finished, and the building already looks very beautiful. Now we move to the final step. Copy the last prompt, paste it into the generator, and click Generate one last time. Wait a moment for the AI to render the final scene. And now the full result is ready. You can see the complete transformation. The house design is clean and modern, and the whole process feels like watching a real construction project. This is exactly why this niche is becoming extremely popular right now on YouTube. Videos showing construction progress from start to finish are getting millions of views, especially in short-form content. People love watching the step-by-step transformation because it is satisfying, visually interesting, and very engaging. So, if you start creating videos like this using AI tools, there is a very strong chance that your content can attract a lot of viewers and grow quickly. I hope you found this video helpful and learned something new from it. If you enjoyed this content, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.